Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Coded. So as you know, we are working on create your AI art generator website for free. So it's part 1 and 2 is live. You can check out the playlist in the link in the description, and this is part 3. In part 1 and 2 we have covered that how you can create the front end of it, like installation model and the web page building, like HTML and CSS portion. And today in this part we will cover the JavaScript portion of the backend programming, where you will use the installation model, so you can use those model and create your own AI art generator website, fully functional with backend as well as the front end. All the useful link are in the description. Go and check it out. I hope it will help you in your project as well as in your daily basis. So let's get started. So firstly, you have need to do few more things, like you open your VS Code, then you need to create one new file in the name of script.js. I'll just save it. Script.js and change my plain text file to all files. Now I'll save it. Fine. Now I need to open my browser. Okay. So you will get a link of join 1% club. Go to about. Then all the link are in the description. You can go check it out. I'll put a link of this. Now Linktree profile. My Linktree profile will be in front of you. You can subscribe also over here. You can get access to my AI expert club, where we will teach you that how you can create your own AI, and you can also join my marketplace, where you can get all the useful things over here. Let's go to access all my projects, second option. Then you will get direct to my website. Now in the article and source code section, you will just go to 6th post article, click it. Then now scroll it. You'll get the HTML and CSS code. Now let's go to JavaScript code and just copy it. Fine. Now you need to go to VS Code and just paste it. Fine, save. So currently we're not making any kind of connection to check that how far we have done. So script. So till in the part 1 and 2 I just covered this portion. These things we have added the installation as well as the buttons and all. Important buttons also, you can say. Now I'll just need to build a connection to give you the whole result. Now I'll just go to open my script tag. Open my script tag. Now I'll open AIart, then script.js. Oh, now our backend is ready. Now let me show you the result. Reload it. Fine. Our new art is coming up in few seconds, and boom, our art has came. Now, as you know, this image is constant, and the first only I'm just telling you this image will remain constant. Now you can create or generate new art. Now we'll call a random image from a server, and let me show you that which server we are using, and art has came. And let me show you the use of it. This is my JavaScript portion, and you need to scroll up. You will get two links over here. This is a transfer image translation model of transfer, which is by Google, number 1, and this is a prediction model number 1. Okay. Now you need to scroll up once more. Then you will get a link called source.unflash.com. So we are using Unflash server of the image server, and we'll call this image only, this pixels image from their server with a random we'll call a random images from the server, and we'll create our art in our app, and we'll give it to your user, and we'll serve our user. Now I'll just go to my Brave, and let's click generate new art, and another image has been called from Unflash server, and we are stored into our web page, and combining this to using image translation model, result as it came up. You will get a upload button too, where you can change this dog image to your image, and you will get a download option also, where you can download your result image. I hope this project will help you in many ways, and it is a very funny thing, and it's a college project. Sometimes the college professors give you this kind of projects, and I hope it will help you in your project work also. And the link are in the description. You can go and check it out of the image translation model too. And I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, bell icon, so that you can get all my notifications. Currently we're working on a very high demand project, so to receive that project notification, click the bell icon and like this video and share this playlist.